afternoon again. This is Jermaine with JAMRAC Mechanical LLC. Here I'm showing you a unit that is called the DOAS unit, direct outside air. Just going to show you what's going on. This unit is supplying 100% outside air to a building and taking the air from the building and sending it directly on the outside. So it's not doing any return inside the building for this specific unit. These units, you know, you use them on like medical facilities like labs, application like that. A lot of other procedures they use. They don't want to circulate the return air, you know. So you want to make sure this air is going straight on the outside, and then got the coils up here. Disconnect. So you have it's supplying air to the building and it's returning the air from the building and just push it directly on the outside. So this unit is called a DOAS unit. A lot of time they use this unit to cool lobby area and provide fresh air to commercial buildings. So this is a commercial application. That's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.